Searching for a 2007 Holden Commodore.
You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors.
Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase.
If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.